How to fix Konica Minolta printer offline issue on Windows. If your Konica Minolta printer is showing offline on your Windows PC, follow these steps to bring it back online. Step 1. Check printer connections. Before troubleshooting software issues, make sure the printer is physically connected. For USB printers, ensure the USB cable is plugged in properly. Try another USB port or use a different cable. For Wi-Fi printers, ensure your PC and the printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Restart both the printer and router. For Ethernet printers, ensure the Ethernet cable is securely connected to the printer and router. Replace the cable if necessary. Step 2. Set printer to online Open Control Panel and go to Devices and Printers. Right-click on your Konica Minolta printer and select. See what's printing. In the new window, click on Printer, top menu, and uncheck Use Printer Offline if it is enabled. If the printer is paused, click Resume Printing. Step 3. Restart the Print Spooler service. The Print Spooler service helps manage print jobs. Restarting it can fix offline printer issues. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Scroll down to Print Spooler, right-click it, and select Restart. Close the window and check if your printer is back online. Step 4. Remove and reinstall the printer. Remove the printer, open Control Panel, Devices and Printers. Right-click your Konica Minolta printer and select Remove Device. Reinstall the printer, click Add a printer and follow the on-screen instructions. If using a network printer, select Add a printer using TCP IP address and enter the printer's IP. Install the correct Konica Minolta drivers. Download them from the Konica Minolta website. Step 5. Update printer drivers. Press Windows plus X and select Device Manager. Expand printers. Right-click your Konica Minolta printer and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. Restart your PC after updating. Final steps. If your printer is still offline, try restarting your PC and printer, checking the default printer setting in Devices and Printers. Running Windows, Troubleshooter from Settings, Devices, Printers and Scanners. For more updates, subscribe our channel, The Printer Zone.